2022. Happy New Year, guys. Wishing you all the best in this year.
Hey, what's up? It's the way you're looking right here. Just want to wish you a happy new year. More blessings. Peace out.
Hi guys, it's Olivia, and I want to wish you a happy new year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Yo, what's good, guys? This is your boy, the real Chris Force, and Happy New Year, Charlie.
Hello guys, this is your girl Akusia Kama, and I'm wishing you all a happy new year. I love you all. Bye.
It's that time of the year again. Happy New Year to you guys. Stay blessed, stay positive, love yourself, and take care. Happy New Year. I love you.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
It's 2022, guys. Happy New Year. And it's your girl, AJ Brown. I love you all.
We made it, guys. Happy New Year. Stay safe.
Happy New Year, fam. Sending you peace, love, and healing energy for the new year. Love you.
We made it, guys. Cheers to 2022. Happy New Year. Mwah.
Yo, it's your boy Brave Stoney, and I'm wishing you guys a happy new year. Stay blessed.
People, it's Tifa here. Happy New Year, guys.
Hey, welcome 2022. Happy New Year, fam.
Hi guys, my name is Wilson.
And I'm Lavan Bay.
And we are here to wish you
a happy new year. We wish you all the best. Mwah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
This is your boy Kwabna Pencil, and I'm wishing you all happy New Year. That's what I'm saying. I love you all.
Happy New Year to everybody. God bless you. Have a successful year.
Hi guys, it's your girl Sweet Adele. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Yes, we made it to 2022 just by God's grace.
Hi guys, this is LC. I want to say happy new year. Love you so much.